6 most dangerous animals in Montana that are deadly. Montana is the 4th largest state in the United States with unrivaled natural beauty. Because a large part of Montana is lightly populated, a sizable portion of the state is natural, and wildlife and many plant species flourish there. Some of these animals are dangerous, so you should always exercise caution. Here are 5 extremely dangerous animals you would find in Montana. American black bear. Black bears are medium-sized bears. Although they are the smallest bear species in North America, they are also deadly. These bears average 1 attack per year in Montana. Keep your distance from the young of these wild animals because mother bears have been known to attack humans if they feel threatened or if someone gets too close to her cubs. Furthermore, you don't want to obstruct a bear presumably on the prowl in search of food. Grizzly bear. A subspecies of the brown bear commonly referred to as the North American brown bear or simply the grizzly. Grizzly bears can be seen in large numbers throughout Montana. Black bears are considered less violent than grizzlies while protecting their young. A hump and short, rounded ears help identify grizzly bears from black bears. The position of its rump can also distinguish it compared to its shoulders, which are lower than that of a black bear. Grizzly bears typically stay away from humans despite having a clear physical edge. The majority of grizzly bear attacks, about 70% of them, result from a bear being startled at close range, especially if it has food to defend or mother grizzlies defending their young. There have been numerous reports of grizzlies caused death in the state. Grizzlies are undoubtedly not prepared to develop interpersonal relationships with people. If you encounter one, make a call for assistance or arrange to leave the area. Bobcat. The medium-sized bobcat, Lynx rufus, commonly referred to as the red lynx, is a native of North America. They like to make their dens in caves, between rocks, inside hollow logs, or even in abandoned mine shafts. In Montana, particularly in the western regions, you might run into a bobcat almost anywhere. The bobcat gets its name from the characteristic black bars on its forelegs and the short, black-tipped tail that bob. It can grow up to 125 centimeters long in total, tail included. Although they prefer to prey on smaller animals over humans, bobcats are deadly huge wild cats that will attack humans. The bobcat poses no serious threat to people when left alone and unprovoked. It may occasionally attack if it feels threatened or when it becomes enraged. Ensure that you are not luring bobcats or other predators into your yard by taking extra precautions. Rattlesnake. Although there are 10 different types of snakes in Montana, only the western rattlesnake has deadly venom. Although it is unlikely that a rattlesnake may bite you while traveling in Montana, you should still be informed of the risks to keep safe. Approximately 16 individuals are bitten by rattlesnakes yearly in Montana since these snakes are venomous and are most likely to result in death. Learn to identify rattlesnake sounds to protect yourself from them while in the state. Wolverines. A wolverine is a powerful carnivore that resembles a grizzly bear in terms of range and behavior. It is known for its aggressive behavior. Wolverines have proven over time that they can kill prey much bigger than themselves. They have vast areas and low population concentrations. One study suggested males in Montana can range 160 square miles. In the summer, they frequently live at higher altitudes, and in the winter, at lower altitudes. Due to their territorial nature, wolverines attack when they feel threatened, especially when people enter their territory. Wolverines are formidable predators and nasty animals who won't think twice about ripping apart humans if they get in their way. Although there haven't been any reports of wolverines attacking or hurting people, it's still best to stay away from these dangerous animals. Moose. The Cabinet Mountains in the northwest and the Centennial and Big Hole Valleys in the southwest are examples areas where moose can be found. The average moose is a lone creature that only becomes violent when provoked. They will attack more people than bears and wolves because they do not fear humans. Even though moose are extremely dangerous, it is against the law in Montana to kill one with antlers that total at least 30 inches in spread since this animal is regarded as a trophy and cannot be hunted or killed. Montana is home to a wide variety of wildlife species, and while you're there, use extreme caution because some of the wildlife is deadly. Thanks for watching.